Hey guys, my name is Daniel Wealthyland Jr. and I am a drummer from London, UK. I'm also part of Collision Drumsticks. Thank you, Collision, for the drumsticks. And I've been playing drums for about almost 20 years now. I've been playing since the age of 10. And I currently play for an artist called Shay Universe. What I love about Collision Drumsticks is that it's very smooth, durable, it lasts long as well. And I love the name Collision just because of the way I play. I'm always colliding with beautiful sounds and rhythms and so on. So it matches with what I'm playing and how I play in general. And also how it feels as well. It's very smooth. I'm using the 5 ARs and also the 5 As. Nylon tips as well. Beautiful. Love the brand. A big fan of the brand, and I'm so honored to be part of Collision Drumsticks. Thank you, Collision Drumsticks, for giving me the opportunity to be part of your roster, and I cannot wait to use these more and more in festivals, studio, and so on. Today I'm going to record a track to a cover that I did that I actually sang to. It's called Deep Green. It's a cover that I sang to. I'm actually going to play drums on top of it now. So yeah, watch me as I play drums to Deep Green with my Collision Drumsticks. Thank you so much.
Guess I did see you coming. Made it look easy, you barely even had to try. Got to run down till the morning. Little the breezes you stay and catching satellites. You told me you would take me, but it's not even an option. You fake like me, and now that it's running, oh, everything's clear as daylight. Deep green, running across the surface like oceans, emotions. Deep green, I can feel it all in motion. Don't you make a sound? You don't understand. Cultural reasons drag you to the pyramid. Talk it all night, 'cause you know where it's going.